There's one home upgrade that costs less than a few $1,000s, but can easily add 5 figures to what your home sells for. And it's not a kitchen renovation, and it's definitely not a bathroom remodel. I'm Joe Blackton, real estate broker here in Greenville, South Carolina. Most homeowners think the way to get more money when selling is by big renovations. But the upgrade that consistently gives sellers a better return is much simpler. It's neutral paint and proper lighting. Buyers don't just evaluate homes logically, they react emotionally. When someone walks into a home that's bright, clean, and neutral, they instantly feel like the home is newer and move-in ready. But when walls are dark, dated, and heavily personalized, buyers immediately start calculating how much work they're going to have to do. And when buyers start calculating work, they lower their offers. Think about 2 identical homes. One has darker walls, older lighting fixtures, and feels dim. The other has neutral paint, bright lighting, and feels open and clean. Buyers won't consciously say why they like one more than the other, but they will feel it immediately. And the home that feels better almost always gets stronger offers. This is why fresh paint and lighting upgrades are one of the highest return investments sellers can make. For a relatively small cost, the entire home feels more modern and more appealing to buyers, and that can translate directly into stronger offers. Before I list a home, I always do a walkthrough with the sellers and look for small upgrades that will have the biggest impact. Because not every improvement is worth the money when you're preparing to sell. The goal isn't to renovate the house. The goal is to create the strongest first impression. If you're thinking about selling this year and want to know what upgrades are actually worth doing, I'm happy to walk through it with you. I help sellers focus on the improvements that actually pay.